For letter sounds, I will read each sound and then say the picture. After that, I will ask you to copy. Our first one is S. Sun. You try. Our next one is P. Pig. You try. Okay, for this part here, I'm going to ask you to read each sound by yourself after you pause the video. Please give it a pause and read each sound. Okay, I hope you read each sound. Now I will read each sound and ask you to copy. We have ah, s, ah, s, ah, t. Okay, please pause the video one more time and then read all the sounds before we go to the next page. I hope you paused the video, read each sound for a little more practice. Now we'll go to the next part. Here, we're going to practice initial letter sounds. What we'll do is I will say a word and then ask you to point to the first letter, the first sound that you hear. For our first part, the word is sat. Sat. So s is the sound in sat. Our next sound, our next word is top. Top. T is the first sound in top. Our next word is tap. Tap. And t is the first sound in tap. Our next word is pat. Pat. And p is the first sound in pat. Our last word is ask. Ask. And the first sound is a in ask. Here we will start to blend. What I will do is say 3 different sounds and ask you to put it all together to make one word. The first word is t, a. Again, t, a. And that makes tap. Our next word is s, a. Again, that's s, a. And that makes sap. Next, a. T. Again, That's pat. And our last one for today here, s, a, t. Again, a, t, sat. Okay, now we will segment. And when we segment, it is the opposite of blend. I will say a word and ask you to divide it up. The first word is at. Again, pat. And when we segment, we have at. The next word is sat. Again, sat. That is s, at. Our next word is sap. Again, sap. That is s, at. Our last word is tap. Again, tap. That's t, a. Okay, our last section for today is word work. What we'll do is combine these sounds to make words. Here we have a. T. Please pause the video and try to read each word by yourself. Okay, I hope you paused the video, tried to read each word. Now we'll read it together. I will say the two sounds. I will put them together, and then you'll be. We have at, at, s, at, sat, at, pat, s, at, sap, t, at, tap. Okay, please pause the video and read each of the words one more time. I hope you paused the video and read each of the words. The next lesson will be very much like this one.